Welcome back to Power Lunch. ARM going public today and having a pretty successful debut. The stock pricing at 51 last night. It opened around 56, and right now we're trading at 58. It's a big win for SoftBank's Masa Son, and he kind of needed it. Let's bring in Deirdre Bosa for today's Tech Check. The market cap, though, Deirdre, still in the neighborhood of what he paid when he took full control last month.
Yeah, and so that's why I don't think we can call it a win just yet. I mean, maybe it's a successful IPO because it's up more than 10%. It's a healthy pop, I guess you could call it, but a lot more than this. And you could say that SoftBank and Masa Son left money on the table. As you mentioned, Kelly, it is below that $64 billion that SoftBank just paid to get a piece of it from the Saudis not too long ago. So still have to see, but you are right in that Masa Son really does need a win, right? He has really hung his entire legacy on him being central in this shift to artificial intelligence. He's been talking about it for many, many years, not just when it became really hot and buzzy this year, but there's been some missteps along the way. I mean, he's talked about NVIDIA, and yes, if he was able to sell ARM to NVIDIA a few years ago, that would have been a huge win, much bigger than what we're seeing today, undisputable. However, remember that he did buy some NVIDIA back in 2017, and he sold it about a year later. He made $3 billion, but he could have made tens of billion dollars. So I guess it leaves us sort of with the question that many ask about Masa Son's legacy these days. Is he a great investor, or is he just lucky? Remember, going back to the turn of the century, he invested in Alibaba for $20 million. At one point, it was worth more than $100 billion. He needs another win of that scale to keep that legacy going.
Is he kind of, in the same sense, I mean, you follow this much more astutely and acutely than I do. Venture capital companies that put money to work, they may invest in 10 startups, in 10 embryos, and 7 of them fail. But if they get one right, and really right, they're set for the next decade. Is he that kind of investor?
He is that investor on steroids. There's a phrase that we use called spray and pray. So maybe a decade ago, VCs would look at 10 companies and get one win. He looks at 100 and hopes for one win. So this is in a different league. This is akin to a different era, the baseball era, when, steroids changed the whole idea of what it means to get a home run. So this is different, but yes, it's that idea on steroids.
All right, well put. Got it. Thanks, Dee.